tighten their shit. So.
This is really close.
What?
The 1X.
Yeah, just put it on 0.5. 0.5?
Yeah.
I got my aluminum radiator from CX Racing, the V-mount radiator. Pulling this piece of shit out. And then hopefully it'll show up within the next few days. We'll get that in there. I'm gonna try to take this top off, tip it all the corner. For those of you that are actually gonna use your NA radiator from your Nissan, it will keep it cool. It will not keep it cool on the highway. It could sit there and idle all day, keep it cool. But as soon as you're cruising at about 50, 60 miles per hour, your heat temp will start going up. That's why we're changing it out. But you can use it for a while, because that's what I did.
Okay.
I like flipping between both. I'm trying to save as much coolant as possible, because I'm a broke son of a bitch. But
I never know.
I got so much money.
Living with your mom.
All right, well, we're gonna make a mess, which we already have, but the goal is to save as much coolant, like I said, so. Oh, yeah.
Damn, that's a lot.
Yeah, that's what you put with it.
What are you reaching for?
Fuck, I'm stuck.
Are you serious?
Stuck.
No, you're not. Do you need the
Cutting my
hose?
arm, though, so kinda. This is harder than I thought.
Is that the last spot they have to drain?
I'm just trying to pull the whole radiator out. With most of the coolant in it. That's all she needs.
Hey, there's a bolt that fell.
Ta! Yeah, we're stuck.
What?
Top hat. That's why I didn't paint my engine bay. Because it's like, imagine if this was all crispy paint. You'd be like,
Maybe chipped.
I might as well just pull the motor, take the radiator out.
Get that.
Oh, this right here?
Yeah. There. Kind of. Oh,
H.
damn. I think it's the hoses.
Bunch of hoses in my way. I know that.
Oh, that is the bottom.
Maybe if I just did this.
Yes. There you go.
And then, ring, 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 ring. Your girlfriend's calling you. Oh, shit.
Shut
Better
up.
answer that before I get yelled at. Where's my phone? My hand?
Well, just keep going on. Keep going on with it.
I'm the best. It's known.
Where are you gonna put it? Like, why do you? Oh, yeah, because
So I
you
bought
need
this
more.
I bought this cheap single fan, and I reused my radiator just to get this thing going. So now, if I want to actually have this thing functional, I need to get an aluminum radiator. It'll be a V-mount. It's a lot bigger, and I'll have dual fans.
Well, so is that all we had to do?
Yeah.
Hey, you were right. It took 30 minutes.
Science class I'm at.
Did you say phases?
Physics class.
I never took this.
Anywho, so
Anywho.
you're gonna get the coolant from there. We were gonna use this funnel thing, but all I
In
did
the toy box.
threw a clamp on there. Hopefully it'll breathe through this, and we'll save us some coolant there. Probably about $5-6, but that's a quarter hour of work, babe.
So is it actually working right now?
Yeah, it's tightening on there, but it's probably gonna leak, and this whole thing was just a dumb idea, but
It's actually not too dumb.
I appreciate that.
Wait, stand up again. Okay. Ooh, that scared me.
Didn't scare me.
Yes, it did.
So hopefully just a little tighten like that.
Yeah.
Watch your toes.
Wait. Do it slowly.
Right?
Nut sacks. Hey. We should
Getting a
have put...
shot? You getting the shot? We're saving a few bucks here.
But we should have put a bowl under it.
the leg up there like that and you'll be good.
It's all about the form.
It's all about form. Okay.
There we go.
A few more bucks.
So if you're ever wondering how to save some,
come to me.
Yep.
Big Boy Productions. What's up, girl? Hope you work. Blah! All right, so boom, as you guys saw, damn, it's bright out. So boom, as you guys saw, I just got my radiator in, tore that piece of shit out, got everything drained, got everything leaked out. So now I'm ready to, So now I'm ready to mount up my V-mount radiator. So I got the V-mount radiator, Amazon, 480 bucks. I'm really not a fan of the V-mount radiator because I'm not the most experienced driver, but hopefully when I get shitty with this thing, I don't clip a curb or something like that. Make it a mess anyway. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Luckily, they wrap it up nice for me. Looks like that's my open flow reservoir. So as you can see, I should send this motherfucker back. Look at that shit. You see that? Jeez. $480 fucking dollars.
Don't put it in if it's damaged.
That's what you get for ordering shop Amazon.
Well, it's damaged.
Yeah, well, it's not getting sent back. I don't got time for that. So as you can see,
I'm not supposed to.
stock cost me about maybe $130 just to run my stock radiator. Bought the fan off Amazon for 40 bucks, ran some hoses, ran that adapter from the Jaguar LS1 swap. So now we got this. This is obviously too big to fit normally, so we gotta V-mount it. And I'm guessing it's gonna go something. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're losing it. Uh-oh, we're losing it. Did you get that on camera?
I don't know what I got, but I got it.
I really don't know how I'm gonna get this out.
What?
I gotta have another jack. Can you see how
What do you want me to do?
it just, you see the jack just pulled off the thing?
I saw it go down, but I was trying to make sure. Our garage is so messy. I can't.
So if you're jacking
stand.
up your car, especially your fresh LS swap, make sure the jack is tightened in the thing, because I was loosening it up and I just lost the whole entire handle, so it's literally falling down with no handle on. On top of, what, a full bowl of coolant? Organized, huh?
It was organized
Yeah,
chaos.
dirt bike tires while we're at it. Want a shovel?
Remember when you moved everything in the garage?
Hey, I got room now.
See that? Looks good. The rest is not so good.
This is what people don't believe. I had no clue what I was doing.
Oh, I'm sure they do now.
Yeah.
It's not nice.
I ain't no Kappa.
We learn by our mistakes, and you are doing it.
I don't make no mistakes.
We all make.
Taylor must have been here messing with my jack. We'll blame it on her.
No, the car looks clean from this angle, though.
Yeah, don't change the angle. It's not.
I have to have top of the line to get where you need to be.
I remember when I had no tools, and this is the only jack I had. And I was under it. No jack stands.
Yeah. How many times did I come out and tell you to stop doing that? And you tell
Hey.
don't worry about it.
Yeah,
Don't worry about it.
Maybe I wanted to die. So I'm gonna fall off and spill all that coolant.
In my garage.
Yeah.
Not good.
It is what it is.
It's not okay. You're gonna have some.
Alright, come closer. Jack etiquette. Make sure the jack's all the way down. Tighten her down right here. And you probably won't kill yourself.
Where she be?
Anywho.
Make sure it's still tight.
It's on there now. I don't know why it's
Why it came loose in the first place? I don't know what I'm looking at, but don't dump it in the garage.
Tell the kids you got some Kool-Aid.
That's not okay to say. What is that?
I knew I lost the hose clamp.
Jackpot! Jackpot!
Anywho, so it should look something like this.
I don't know where you want me. Because
Something like this. Obviously the jack's not going to be there, but it's going to be down and up in there like that. This thing is fucked up. Look at this shit.
yeah, I would call them. That's not cool. That's damaged. It's not worth putting in.
And there you go. All I gotta say is holy piece of overpriced, overhyped. What else? Dented, non-bolt-on, not even complete when you get it. Piece of shit radiator this was. Worth $480 my ass. It fits in there. Like I said, not bolt-on. I got the bottom mounts lined up-ish. As you can see, there's bends. It just doesn't look pretty, you know? I thought this was gonna be bolt-on. I can't even get, you can't even see that, but I can't even get the top, bolted up yet. So I'm kind of just, I put the fans on. Those weren't even fitting the right way like I thought they would. So, CX Racing.